In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve review exercise unit number 4, question number 2. If the numbers 1, 4, 3 are subtracted from 3 consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression, the resulting numbers are in geometric progression. Find the numbers if their sum is 21. Let the 3 consecutive terms of arithmetic progressions are a plus d, a plus 2d, that is 3 number. According to first condition, if the numbers 1, 4, 3 are subtracted from 3 consecutive numbers, so that is a minus 1 first term, a plus 2d minus 4 second term, are in geometric progression. So first term, that is a1 is equal to a minus 1, a2 is equal to a plus d minus 4, a3 is equal to a plus 2d minus 3. So common ratio is equal to common ratio, that is a2 divide a1 is equal to a3 divide a2. So by putting the values, a2 is equal to a plus d minus 4 divided by a minus b is equal to a plus 2d minus 3 divided by a plus d minus 4. So by cross multiplication, a plus d minus 4 into a plus d minus 4 whole square is equal to a minus b, a minus 1 into a plus 2d minus 3. So by opening the squares, that is a square plus 16 plus 2ad minus 8d minus 8a is equal to a square plus 2ad minus 3a minus a minus 2d plus 3. So plus 2ad cancel, so plus a square, so plus a square cancel. So next remaining term, that is d square plus 16 minus 8d minus 8a is equal to minus 4a minus 2d plus 3. So next d square minus 8d minus 8a plus 16. So take minus 4a from right hand side to left hand side, sign will be positive, plus take minus 2d from right hand side to left hand side, positive 2d, and minus 3 is equal to 0. So d square minus 8d plus 2d is equal to minus 6d minus 8a plus 4a is equal to minus 4a plus 16 minus 3 plus 13 equal to 0. That is equation number 1. So according to second condition, that is sum of 3 terms is 21. So S3 is equal to 21. S3 can also be written in the form of n divided by 2 into 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d, or simplest form a1 plus a2 is equal to 21. So by putting the values, that is n is equal to 3 second term a plus 2d is equal to 21. So a plus a is equal to 2a plus 2d is equal to 21. So taking common 2 into a plus d, so 2 to cancel, 3 into a plus d is equal to 21. So 3 dividing by 3 on both sides, so a plus d is equal to 21 divided by 3, 3 7 times 21, a plus d is equal to 7. So d is equal to 7 minus a, that is equation number 3. Put value of equation 3 in equation 1. So equation 1 becomes 7 minus a whole square minus 6 into 7 minus a minus 4a plus 13 is equal to 0. So 7 square 49 plus a minus 14a minus 6 7 times 42 minus multiply minus plus 6a minus 4a plus 13 is equal to 0. So next, a square minus 14a minus 4a, so plus 6a is equal to minus 12a minus 42 plus 49 plus 13 is equal to 20 equal to 0. So 10 2 times 20 minus 12 factors has minus 10a and minus 2. So taking common a first two term, that is a into a minus 10. Next second two term common, minus 2 minus 2 into a minus 10 equal to 0. So a minus 2 into a minus 10 is equal to 0. So first factor, that is a minus 2 is equal to 0, so a is equal to 2. Second factor, that is a minus 10 equal to 0, so a is equal to 10. Put a is equal to 2 in equation 2, so equation 2 becomes d is equal to 7 minus a, so 7 minus 2 is equal to 5, d is equal to 5. Put a is equal to 10 in equation 2, so equation 2 becomes d is equal to 7 minus a, so value of a is equal to 10. 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3, d is equal to minus 3. Since the three numbers are given, a plus d, a plus 2d, that is equation number 3. So by putting the values of a is equal to 2, d is equal to 5 in equation 3, so 2 plus 5, 2 plus 2 into 5, so first number 2, second number 2 plus 5 7, third number 2 plus 2 5 10, 10 plus 2 12, third number 12, so 2 7 12. Next put a is equal to 10, d is equal to minus 3 in equation 3, so equation 3 becomes first a is equal to 10, second 10 minus 3 is equal to 7, third 10 plus 2 into minus 3 minus 6, 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. So first number 10, second number 7, third number 4, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.